You will be shocked to learn our new price target for Nvidia. In the past, Nvidia was mostly recognized as a manufacturer of PC gaming chips. During our brainstorming session, Tasha said, "It seems like the brain, or the central nervous system, of an autonomous vehicle is going to be a GPU." I remember this. I was surprised. "You must be kidding," I said. "No one is aware of that." Nvidia rose to prominence as one of the top companies in many of our portfolios, including our genomics portfolio, following additional research on the significance of GPUs for artificial intelligence. In contrast to many other organizations, ARK provides liquidity. Momentum drives a lot of asset managers. In fact, it's a component of their scoring methodology. They make aggressive purchases when prices are rising or when revenue growth is quickening. However, we function differently. We get money if one of our stocks suddenly increases by 20%, 30%, 50%, or even 100% or 200%. Momentum purchasers are obviously eager and prepared to spend a lot more. We consider both of these movements to be transient, and other stocks in our portfolio might be going through brief setbacks at the same time. Because our portfolios are highly volatile, we are highly opportunistic, buying when others need cash and offering liquidity when purchasers desire it. On the subject of Nvidia, one could reply, "Oh, ARK sold it." Indeed, we were among the first investors in Nvidia, and this is how we view it now. When we started ARK funds in 2014, we purchased Nvidia at about $5 a share. During our brainstorming session in 2015, Tasha Keeney made the following statement: "The GPU is going to be the brain of autonomous vehicles." Nvidia was only recognized as a PC gaming chip firm at the time, and PC sales were falling at a double-digit rate. However, Nvidia rose to the top of several of our portfolios, including genomics, after research into the growing significance of GPUs for AI. After Tesla, GBTC, Grayscale Bitcoin Trust, and Nvidia, a genomics firm, Nvidia has been our flagship portfolio's fourth highest returned asset since 2014. We still have Nvidia in our specialty portfolios since we were there first. However, we are concerned about Nvidia's valuation minus 25 times revenue, particularly for a hardware-focused company. Even though we still possess it, we have decreased our holdings while keeping an eye on the valuation. However, there is a lot of excitement about AI, which may eventually result in an excess of inventory. Whether that will occur in the upcoming quarter, year, or beyond is difficult to tell. However, we also observe that other stocks, such as UiPath, which is trading at 6 or 7 times revenue, and Twilio, which is trading at 2.5 times revenue, are providing superior value at the moment. We talked about trailing 12-month performance in a recent AI study that was posted on ARK's website. However, I'm concentrating on the multiple of revenues for the current year. For instance, AI-driven projects, software-driven projects as opposed to hardware, are the reason why Tesla trades at 6 to 7 times revenue. There is a significantly greater market opportunity for software because software pull-through from AI hardware is expected to be 8 to 20 times. We are now concentrating on the next great artificial intelligence beneficiaries, even though we were early adopters of Nvidia, and now hold it in more specialized portfolios at a reduced percentage because of valuation concerns. Greetings from the channel again. We're delving deeply into Nvidia's future today, drawing from Jensen Huang's Computex 2024 speech. Why Nvidia stock is a long-term bet and why you should consider buying is the title of this video. In this in-depth analysis, I'll discuss why I think Nvidia is positioned for significant expansion and why Wall Street may be overlooking the wider picture. We'll dissect Nvidia's major software projects, hardware roadmap, and the technology's wider commercial ramifications. There is a lot to cover, so buckle up. Let's start by looking at Nvidia's hardware roadmap. This is a strategic vision that spans all the way to 2027, not merely a list of product launch dates. In 2024, the Blackwell GPU, named for mathematician David Blackwell, will be released. Significant improvements in performance and power economy are promised by this GPU series. However, that is just the start. The Blackwell Ultra, an improved version of its predecessor with a more sophisticated architecture and more processing power, will be released by Nvidia in 2025. to address the increasing demands of AI, machine learning, and high-performance computing. These advancements are essential. The Rubin GPU, which is named after another important figure in mathematics, will then be released by Nvidia in 2026. By pushing the limits of GPU technology, the Rubin series and its Ultra version in 2027 will help industry accomplish even more. Set infrastructures. Nvidia's software ecosystem is the company's true secret weapon, despite its remarkable hardware advances. Many observers overlook the whole scope of Nvidia's products in favor of concentrating primarily on the hardware. In addition to enhancing its hardware, Nvidia has created a robust software package that maximizes its capabilities. Nvidia Inference Microservices, NIMS, which are AI models pre-packaged with everything required to function effectively on a variety of hardware configurations, are at the core of this approach. By eliminating the hassle of modifying software to fit various hardware, NIMS streamlines AI deployment and makes it simpler for companies to incorporate AI into their operations without requiring a high level of technical know-how. From real-time image identification to natural language processing and predictive analytics, NIMS are made to deliver high-performance, scalable AI inference for a variety of uses. This feature is especially useful for sectors that depend on quick decisions based on data that is updated in real time. Nvidia Inference Microservices, or NIMS, are made to offer high-performance, scalable AI inference for a variety of uses, such as predictive analytics, natural language processing, and real-time image identification. For sectors that rely on making decisions fast using real-time data, the capacity to complete these jobs effectively and swiftly is extremely valuable. As more companies and sectors use AI-driven solutions to streamline processes and make quicker, better decisions, this gives Nvidia a competitive advantage. The capacity of NIMS to abstract away the complexity of software adaptation to different hardware environments is one of its main advantages. Companies can employ AI solutions without requiring technical knowledge of various hardware setups or an internal staff of AI specialists. This democratizes the adoption of AI by enabling more companies of all sizes to benefit from Nvidia's cutting-edge AI tools and platforms. In addition to NIMS, Nvidia's software ecosystem consists of a wide variety of development tools, QDA, and its parallel computing architecture. Many of Nvidia's developments are based on QDA, which lets programmers use GPU processing capability for a broad range of applications. Nvidia has a distinct market position thanks to its strong, adaptable software environment and potent hardware, providing a complete AI solution that few rivals can match. It's evident from examining Nvidia's long-term prospects that the business takes a multifaceted strategy. On the one hand, they keep coming up with new hardware innovations, pushing the limits of GPU efficiency and performance with every iteration. However, their software approach makes sure that companies and developers from all sectors can take full advantage of these technological advancements. Nvidia is positioned to play a significant role in AI and high-performance computing for many years to come thanks to this dual strategy. Furthermore, Nvidia has made increasing its footprint in data centers a key priority. Nvidia's products, especially Spectrum-X, are expected to be essential as AI workloads rise in data centers, become increasingly important for cloud computing and big data analytics. As the need for AI and machine learning keeps increasing, the capacity to effectively connect millions of GPUs in a data center setting will be essential. The way businesses approach computing infrastructure may change as a result of Nvidia's vision for data centers that are powered by its GPUs, enabling massively quicker and more effective AI processes. Nvidia is examining the wider range of AI applications in addition to data centers. Cloud computing, AI, and machine learning are coming together to create new opportunities in a variety of industries, including manufacturing, banking, healthcare, and autonomous driving, financial modeling, genomics research, driverless cars, and many other high-tech industries currently employ Nvidia's technologies. Nvidia's involvement will only grow as more sectors incorporate AI into their operations. To sum up, Nvidia is a lot more than just a hardware manufacturer. They are a pioneer in AI and high-performance computing because their software advancements complement their GPU improvements. Although a lot of investors concentrate on Nvidia's technology, The firm stands out and is positioned for long-term success thanks to its unique blend of hardware, software, and strategic vision. Nvidia's stock has performed well, and the firm is well positioned for future growth given its forward-thinking plan, emphasis on data centers, and expanding AI ecosystem. It seems obvious that Nvidia will have a revolutionary influence on AI and high-performance computing in the future. Nvidia is a business worth keeping a close eye on whether you're an investor or a tech enthusiast.